How to lock individual chat in WhatsApp. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do, go and search the person that you want to lock your conversation with him. For me, I will lock my conversation with this person. So tap on the person to open the chat. Here is the chat that I want to lock. So tap on the person profile name. Now I open the person profile, scroll to down. Here it says chat lock. So tap on this section, lock. So now tap on this, keep this chat lock and hidden, tap on this continue. Now use your fingerprint or face lock to lock this chat. So I'll use my fingerprint. So now as you can see, now chat lock now is turned on. So now if I close my WhatsApp, if I go back to my WhatsApp now I'll show you how to see your lock chat. If you want to see your lock chat, as you can see now, I can be able now to see the person. I have already locked his chat, my conversation with him. If you want to see your conversation with the lock chat, all you have to do now, swipe down your chat like this. So as you can see now, here is the lock chat. So tap on it. Use your fingerprint to unlock it. So as you can see now, here is the chat that I lock. Now I can be able to view the chat. So if I lock more than one chat, so I can be able now all to see them in this section. So tap on the person now to open. So here is chat that I lock now. So now I'll show you how to unlock the chat. If you want to unlock it, all you have to do, after you come to this section, tap on this person. After you open up the person, tap on the person profile again. Scroll to down again. Tap on this chat lock. So use your fingerprint again. So now as you can see, I unlock this chat. So now if I close my WhatsApp again, if I go back to WhatsApp again, so as you can see now, here is the person. Now I unlock the person. That's it guys on how to lock and unlock chat in WhatsApp. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.